So we've had a couple of people asking what mount I use for the GoPro. So we use this mount. Now tragically I don't have its name, which is useless, I know, but that's what it looks like. You can get them in Amazon, English money, I think about £13. Now this does fit the GoPro 5 and the GoPro 4 I have. So I'm guessing it'll fit most GoPros, but not that one, the LCD one, which has that case already built on. But someone did ask, do you have to use this? And sometimes I like using this, but then sometimes I think, is it adding too much strain onto the camera? So today what we're trying is this little setup here. So what I've got is a GoPro and one of the sticky things. You could do it with two cameras, couldn't you, Jonathan? There it comes on. And we're going to mount it kind of like sideways. So let's have a look at how this fits. I haven't tried this in the Osmo, but we'll try it on this. Oh no. Oh, it does fit. There you go. Straight. Get it across a bit. There we go. So we'll try and power it on. See what happens. There we go. So I'm guessing you're looking at me now. So we'll turn around so you guys can see what it looks like. So that's how we've mounted now. As for how secure it is, I don't know. Pretty secure. The advantage of this way round is obviously you don't get this part catching in. Now when I do my other videos, it catches in. So if we press mode 3 times, it should spin round. Is that right? 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. I thought 3, span it round. 2, 3. So what's it in now? Oh, there you go. So now we're facing forwards. So how? Yeah. So what I was saying was, when you're filming using the adapter, you're obviously filming it the real way. When today in theory we're filming backwards, aren't we? So you get this catching in. Well, obviously we shouldn't really be having that problem. As for smoothness wise, I don't know. We'll take it outside and have a look. Movement wise, it's always best to do it like this, isn't it? You can see, ooh, look at that. Just misses on the top. Just misses on the bottom. Still got a limited on the side. That's it, but especially when you're locked in. Pretty good actually. I don't know if I prefer this more than the adapter. So I have had to put a little case on the GoPro in order to fit the mount. You can get the cases off Amazon as well. So we go for the thing I do, where like a dick in front of my neighbours, where we run along the street. We may as well. Yeah, I think I might like this more than before. Goes up, goes down, goes side to side. So what we'll try first. We'll try the running. Right, let's get it facing me, and we'll lock it on. This is running. This is running forwards. So there we go. Don't really know how that looks, but I'm presuming you'll all tell me. Thank you for watching, and adios.